Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm here with XAmbassadors, song called I'm Not Really Here, but I am. Anyway, let's take a look at this song from XAmbassadors. We have a pretty straightforward song here, easy chords, no need for any capos, so let's look at the chords needed here. Believe they could be 4. Yes, there are 4 chords, so let's start here with E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And we have A next. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have 2 bar chords left there. We're gonna start with the C sharp minor. So that's a bar here on the 4th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here, just 5 strings below. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. And speaking of B, that's the final chord. You take the exact same grip there and place it at this position here. Your bar finger, index finger on the 2nd fret now. Same strings, 5 strings. And then you can go with the sus version here. It's much easier. So you're gonna play 4th on D and 4th on G. So there you have the B sus, and that's what we need. All right, so the challenge here could be the rhythm here to get to not get lost in the strumming here. So we're gonna look at this part. So it's about 2 different parts, 2 halves. So we're gonna look at them part by part with the E chord, since that is the first chord in the song. So grab the E, and the first part goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then the second part is up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So. Up, up, down, and then you do that again. Up, up, down, and then extra up. So up, up, down, up, down, up. And there you have the 2 parts. So if you combine the 2 parts, it will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then up, up, down, up, down, up. So on. All right, so we are ready for this song here. We're gonna start with the verse play, and you have E. You're gonna play 2 full string rounds. So that means both part 1 and part 2. So 2 full of that on E, and then you switch to A and play 2 full rounds of that as well. So it goes back and forth between E 2 rounds and A 2 rounds, like this. And back again, and so on. All right, so that's the verse play. Over to the chorus. Okay, so here you're gonna start with the C sharp minor, 1 string around, then A1, then E1. And now comes the reason why we chop this into 2 different parts. We're gonna play the B sus, the part 1, the down, up, down, up, down, and then back to A and play part 2, the up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So the B sus and A sounds like this. And then back to the verse play, E2 and A2. And that is really what you need for this song. We have a bridge part or / outro part later at 2 minutes and 10 seconds starts. Nothing new there. You're just gonna play one round of verse play, one round of chorus play, and then you continue with verse play till the very end of this song. So there you have it, guys. XAmbassadors, I'm Not Really Here. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I do my best here to please you and to get some good new stuff out there. So feel free to support me here, and you do that best in subscribing here to this channel. You can also thumb up this tutorial if you like this specific tutorial here. And yeah, that will make my day. So thank you for support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.